Talofa guys, welcome back to my channel. Look, I have a nice feed today. It's New Zealand flounder. And I have a bowl of Chop Sui. And then I have galo. It's always going to be something hanging up. Yeah. Then I have galo, guys. That's to go with my food. Yeah. And today's drink, guys, I thought I might have a drink of Coca-Cola today. So cheers, guys. Yeah, my son. It's like I'm not used to that flavour anymore. But it was the only drink available at the back there besides water. And I've been drinking a lot of water. How's everyone going? The flounder looks too pretty to eat. But anyway. Hang on. Anyway, guys, let's dig in. It's Chop Sui. Chop Sui made with corned beef. It's made with corned beef. Okay, the dog started barking. Woo. Anyway, it's corned beef, garlic, bit of ginger, onion, soy sauce, and lia. Anyway, guys. Okay, come on, drip it down before I offer. Okay, here, guys. Ah, there's your guys. Watch out. Okay, there's your fellas. Yeah. Oh, my daughter was right. It tastes good. I made this morning. And I made sure I had heaps of chunk of garlic. Okay. Nice garlic. I must have a werewolf out there. I can hear it howling. But the only reason why dogs howl like that is because they miss their owners, eh? And see the smoke. Thank you so much for everyone that commented about my my salmon dresses. I had fun doing the video. See? Big spoon, big mouth. You know, I like it. I like the big chunks of garlic that you put in. Ever since I found out it was healthy for you, garlic. But I always used to, not like a lot of garlic in anything, I swear to you, that dog was not howling 10, 20, 30 minutes ago. It just chose today because I just finished pushing record. Oh well, guys. You can be part of the video, I guess. What can you do? It's hot. Nice galo too. I didn't boil the galo. My daughter went up the road and got it for me because before she goes to work she does those little things for me, so thank you, Sharon. Anyway, I fried the flounders. Look, I fried some for my mama, my husband, and for my mukbang. These are New Zealander flounder. It's a Kiwi flounder. Love New Zealand flounder. I love most New Zealand food. You know, most. Probably that 1%, I don't know what it is. I know, it's a big head. But the rest, cheers guys. I'm truly not my son to it anymore. It's like, that's my first one in how many weeks? Probably 2 weeks. Just that my daughter bought it when she bought the gala. So I thought, might as well add it into my video. Yeah, there was someone that said that, like, probably joking around, because I hear my cousins say that too, and my aunties, like, about one of the dresses, and that's dress number 5. Yeah, guys, dress number 5 of my Samoan dress up, it won, okay, so, and then someone said on my video, umalo ofu lafu aku, and I said to that person, well, if they're serious, just send me their address on my Instagram, and then I'll send it, okay? It's alright, there's plenty of dresses in Samoa. If one day I should go, I'll get me another one. So, whoever you are, forgot. Sorry, I should have written down your name. But if you're, if you really want it, just send me your address. I'll send it for you. I'm hoping that the mailman don't knock on the door right now. My daughter said that she's getting a phone delivered today, and I've got to sign for it and give my license number and stuff like that. Do you think the mailman will want my phone number as well? Imagine his wife thinks, why'd you give my husband your phone number? He don't want it. Oh! So nice. Like I said before, I've got a big mukbang spoon because you can eat the food faster. It's the steam. I know you can't see it, but it's right here. Woke up to some bad news today. My dear auntie in Samoa passed away. My Uncle Sil's wife, Lau. It was sad to hear about it. And I told my mum, because to us, we look at them as sisters. Well, the sister-in-laws, growing up, they may not have gotten along, but they're still sisters, They get on good, And, my mum has always been the one she's a straightforward person. If they say something, she'll just say it's straightforward, ground them or whatever. But they know she doesn't even, they all love each other. Just that my mum is just straightforward. But my mum always, loves them. She always talks good about them. Doesn't talk bad about them. And that's why we love them and respect them as well. Because I tell you what, if we're kids and our parents tell us something upsetting about a person, about another adult, most of the time, kids, they don't like that person too. Like, when they don't like our parents, we don't like them. But my mum, she always got along with her sister-in-laws. My mum, I think when she was a bit younger, she was a bit of a bully. But then I have my other auntie, my dad's older sister. She bully back. She knows she's older. So, you know. Hello, son. I didn't even see your car.
Hello.
I just started my mukbang.
That's good.
It's my son, Joy. He must have just finished work, or he's going to get ready to go to work. I think he just finished, because sometimes he starts really early and then finishes halfway. So what's the time now? I just finished looking at my clock and I didn't. Okay, it's 1. Okay, that's the time, guys. That means my daughter's going to work. She didn't come and say goodbye to me. Sad. Anyway, let's dig it. Oh, look at my Chop Sui. All over here. When my little kids do that, I go, have you got a hole in your mouth when food is... That means I have a hole in my mouth today. No, ever since the other day when I was eating curry and I was using my hands to eat, it's like I'm using my hands more. Yep, there's yours, flounder. You know, in New Zealand, there's heaps of the stuff in the fish shops. So the Kiwis back home is probably thinking, I don't want any of your flounder, I can get my own. Who said that? Who? And I was saying, I hope the mailman doesn't come. And it wasn't the mailman, it was my son. Next minute, the mailman. I did a video the other time and the mail came knocking. These are my kids. They go like ordering stuff online. This other guy that used to come like nearly every day. He would drop us up here and then call out, okay, see you tomorrow. Because it's true. He's here nearly every day. And then one time he come over, he goes, I think I'll start paying my board here. When my kids were younger, the older kids, I used to tell them that this is caviar. It's a sack of roe in the flounder. And I used to say to my kids, because I used to push it on the side, and I go, eat it, it's caviar. And then they started eating it. So every time I fried flounders for them, they'd always look for the caviar first. Sorry kids, but it was lovely caviar, right? I love it. Yeah. It was funny. You know, you have to trick your kids sometimes, eh? To eat food. I'm telling you some story. And then that's how they eat it. What about that one that goes around, that's going around it on Facebook? You know, they use a stuffed toy, and then they ask their child to eat the food, and the child refuses to eat it. Then they turn around and give it to the stuffed toy, and then the stuffed toy pretend to say no as well. And then the person beats up the stuffed toy, and then when they try and turn around and feed the child, now the child wants to eat because he just saw the stuffed toy get beaten. Wow. I'm not saying trick them in that way, but you know, that's what's going around. It's quite funny sometimes. But this other lady, her child was only about 1, and she did it. And the way she was beating up the toy is like, whoa. Good night. Yeah. Guys, this flounder is so tasty. Yeah, so you know what? You know how I was getting changed yesterday with my outfit? Okay. It was right there in that corner. So this corner of mine can be used for two things. My modelling and my mukbang. Oh yeah. Okay, get rid of all these bones. This is the side of the flounder, right? Yeah. I know. What on earth is she? I just like it. I just really, really like it. It's got this nice flavour to it. Yeah. Oh God. Like when I was a little teenager, like when I was younger, I saw my uncle eat all the skin of the prawn. I was like, oh, I didn't know. Because the shell's pretty hard. And to watch him eat it, tell you what, he used to be a good joker, my uncle. Uncle Goa is his name. The other name is Uncle Gibbo. But when he got his Matai title, it became Toa. Okay, I just got jabbed by the... Watch it. It jabbed me on the gum. It was my fault. Guess what? The meat's there, and I go eating the bone. Yeah. Anyway, my Uncle Goa, my mom always says that he's so funny, and he is. He's so funny. What used to crack me up is that his daughter, Mano'o, that's my cousin. She stays in the States, Texas. I think she still lives there. When she said to him, oh, you know, she said something to him like, it's a conversation. And then he turned around and said, hey, Keiloa, or, excuse me. He said, hey, Keiloa, le kamara pepelo. Oh man, that was so funny. You know, my cousin turned around and just rolled her eyes at me, but she must hear it quite a lot, but it was my first time hearing it. I was just cracking up. I just started laughing because that's the first time I heard it. Because my dad, he's not really like a funny man like my uncle. That's his brother. Yeah. Everyone's got their own personality and their own character, say. So my uncle, he's the funny one. He likes to crack up jokes. No, yeah, he's more of the softy, quiet one. And then I had another uncle, his other brother, who was more, you know, don't take no crap one, you know, doesn't take anyone's rubbish, you know. You know what I mean, no. But my dad, oh my gosh, I sometimes think, Dad, do you have a backbone? Stick up for yourself. But he's too softy. Oh well, if that's him, what can I do? You know guys, I've got a lot of shout outs today. I just want to enjoy this food, eh? Yeah, I fried the flounders, made the Chop Sui. You know when I cook, I don't like to eat straight away. I like to cook, and I like to leave my food to settle. Because my belief is that you're letting it settle and accumulating more flavour. What do you think? You think I'm right? I don't know. We're all different. Some people just like it cook, eat, bend the mouth, but still they want it straight away. Me, I like to let it sit. Especially soups. So nice, guys. So good. You know, wait. You know, another thing I like about Chop Sui, especially the next day, I like making Chop Sui sandwiches. I know, so it was my husband's thing. He likes to make Chop Sui sandwiches, and I never used to do that before. But since I used to watch him eat it, and he makes it look good, I thought, oh, okay, I'll try it. And it was delicious. Delicious. Yuck, you know what? Honestly, I'm drinking this Coke, but it's horrible. Sorry, Coca-Cola. Don't sue me. Anyway, I'll run and hide. I'll hide in my rainforest over here. Anyway. I don't know why I like some more. Anyway, guys. Okay, look. One more. Hey, one more. A big one. Alright. You know what? Yeah. Oh, look at my fingers. It's because it's from this, I think. All of it. I'm going to do my shout out, guys. Shout out. Okay. You know, I tell you what. You know, this morning, I woke up all happy, bubbly, excited about today, waking up and, you know, thank the good Lord that I woke up to another day. But it's finding out that my auntie had passed away. It's like something is not happy anymore. Okay, listen, I'm gonna do these shout outs, guys. So, this is my appreciation for all those that watch and comment. I thank you so much, okay? So this is the reason why I shout you guys out. You know, some of yous, like, well, a lot of these names don't have, excuse me. Ooh, excuse me. Pardon me. Yeah, a lot of these names don't have YouTube channels, but my appreciation, you know, for your time spent watching my videos, I appreciate it. So I want to show you, you know, that I do value, you know, your view. So thank you very much. Anyway, here goes the first name. Okay, I'll just name it all, but you know why I'm naming you guys, okay? To say thank you. Okay, there's Alva's Crew, Leilani Seal, Agnes Atoni, Virginia Tanau, hang on, Virginia Danau, oh, I hope I'm saying it right, Esther Leavasa, thank you for being a new sub. I saw that you subbed the other day, and you mentioned that you're a new subby. That's why I wrote it down on the side of your name, that you're a new sub. And then Tommy Bidos. Okay. And then there's Misty Hi, or Misty He. Hi, Misty. And then there's Nina Savia, Geneva. Did you have to add your name in there? Geneva's my daughter. She asked me to shout her out. She's my ex-editor. I said, baby, you're my daughter. She goes, Mummy, give me a shout out. So I said, okay, my baby. So Geneva, my ex-editor. And then Audrey Davids. Oh, she goes to the next page. Leotina Tui Mavave. And A. Billy Ace T. Mace. And last but not least, Serena L.K. So guys, that's all your fellas' names. Thank you so much. There were more names, but I thought I'll be here all day, okay? But guys, I really, really, truly appreciate all your time to give to watch my videos, okay guys? I hope you liked that video yesterday. There was a lot of comments for the dresses and the different kinds of dresses that you guys like, but number five guys, that's the winner. Wailua. So I'm going to go one day in Samoa. Truly hope that that person is still there selling their dress, and I'm going to go and tell them that I took a vote about dresses, and I know that same person, and I'll never forget that girl's face, because that was the second time I bought clothes from her in different times of my travel. And I don't know if she's the one that sews it. She looks very young, so I think she's just a sale girl. So whoever made it, I want to go and let them know that a lot of people liked her dress, and then I'm going to support her and buy more. But then that's up to God if I make it there, and it depends on health and everything. So it's totally up to God. Okay, guys, but I thank you so much for stopping by to watch this mukbang and drink my Coca-Cola, and then have a shout out for you guys. If there's anything you guys want me to do, okay, I'm sort of regretting that question already. You know why? Because I don't want anyone to say, oh, ulupua'a. No, please. No. Oh, and muli bibis. No muli bibis. Okay, guys, so no deal from me, okay? Okay, thank you so much. Give thanks to God always, okay, guys? But you guys take care, and thank you so much. Appreciate you guys, okay? Fa soi fua.